Imagine biting into a plump, juicy strawberry, bursting with sweetness. Growing bigger, more flavorful strawberries is possible with the right techniques. Here are 7 tips to help you achieve a bountiful harvest of large, delicious berries. Tip number 1. Choose the right variety. Chandler and Seascape strawberries are excellent choices for producing large fruits. However, consider your local climate and growing conditions when making your selection. Tip number 2. Provide plenty of sunlight. Strawberries thrive in full sun, requiring 8 to 10 hours of direct sunlight daily. This exposure fuels photosynthesis, leading to better foliage and larger, sweeter berries. Avoid planting in shaded areas for optimal results. Tip number 3. Water consistently. Strawberries need the most moisture when fruiting. Maintain a regular watering schedule, but be careful not to overwater. Excess moisture can lead to rot and disease. Consider using a drip irrigation system to keep leaves dry and reduce the risk of fungal problems. Tip number 4. Use fertilizers wisely. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer can significantly improve your strawberry harvest. Follow the package instructions carefully to provide your plants with the nutrients they need for stronger growth and larger fruits. Tip number 5. Improve soil quality. Strawberries prefer well-drained, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7. Enhance your soil by incorporating organic matter such as compost, rotted manure, or even household items like eggshells and coffee grounds. Tip number 6. Prune and promote airflow. Overcrowding can hinder fruit development. Regularly remove dead leaves, branches, and overripe berries to improve air circulation and oxygen supply. This practice helps prevent disease and allows the remaining fruits to grow larger. Tip number 7. Harvest at the right time. For the juiciest, sweetest strawberries, wait until they are fully ripe before picking. Unlike some fruits, strawberries do not continue to ripen after harvest. Allowing them to mature on the plant ensures maximum size and flavor. By implementing these 7 tips, you can transform your strawberry harvest. While it may take some time and experimentation, the results are well worth the effort. Soon, you will be enjoying bigger, juicier, and more flavorful strawberries straight from your garden.